Caring a rubber plant is quite easy, if you consider its soil, light, temperature, and water requirements. Use well-drained potting mix suitable for houseplants or made by mixing river sand to the potting mix in equal quantity. Position your rubber plant in bright indirect light. In hot sun, the leaves will eventually fall off. When the new leaves are emerging, less light is preferred to promote larger leaves. Keep your rubber plant away from heat sources. Wipe the leaves of your rubber plant with a damp cloth to remove dust and make the leaves shiny. You can spray with pest oil to make the leaves shiny and insect-free. Correct watering is the most important thing in keeping the rubber plant healthy and growing. Keep your plant moist when the plant is growing, but on the drier side during other time. Water only when the topsoil should feel dry to the touch. Keep moist in growing periods, but water only once or twice a month during the dormant period. Do not overwater. Too much watering will rot the roots and turn the leaves yellow and drop off. If the plant lacks water or moisture, especially in warm indoor AC air, the leaves will lose their firmness and begin to drop. Give a liquid feed in the growing season in spring and summer. Rubber plant is resistant to pests and diseases if grown in well-lit areas. Prune your rubber plant to keep in shape. Always cut the stems just above a leaf node. If the plant starts to get top-heavy, repot the rubber plant in a pot of next larger size. Overgrown plant can be pruned down to 3 to 4 leaf joints from the soil line. If your plant has only one branch or shed most of its leaves and you want it make it bushy, trim the top of the branch with a sharp pair of pruning clippers to encourage branches. 2 or more new branches will emerge at the end. Don't throw the stem cutting of the branch, but rather grow a new plant from this cutting. Please like the video and subscribe to know when I upload new videos.